This video is for people who are really enjoying their lives. Yes, I say you're enjoying your life because you have someone that has prayed for you before, and the person has labored spiritually in the realm of the spirit to get you to where you are right now. You're just enjoying yourself, you're enjoying the cruise wherever you are, enjoying your marriage, enjoying your business, enjoying your health, and every kind of enjoyment you can think of. Whatever you put your hand to do, it just goes smoothly for you. Don't make light of your level right now, and don't also make light of people that have labored for you, because people actually prayed for you. It could be your grandparents, it could be your parents, yeah, it could be those, because they are your family, so they can connect in the realm of the spirit. So it could also be individuals that you had a relationship with in the time past. They have broken some barriers on your way, and you are able to advance. You are able to enjoy what you are enjoying now. Now, I want you to know that the level you are now is the level they have prayed. You still have your own battle that you need to fight. You still have a battle you need to fight, whether you like it or not. You still have challenges in front of you. It could be in any area of your life. It will come because you must fight for yourself. You must stand to fight for yourself in prayers, in fasting. Yes, you must fight for yourself in holiness, not just prayer and fasting. You also fight for yourself in holiness. You must make your own sacrifice, because you're going to lay a foundation for your generation that will come. And even if it's not for your generation that will come, another level of your life that will come. Yes, could be in the next 10, 15 years. The prayers that have been prayed may not sustain. The sacrifice that have been made before may not sustain you that time. So this video is for you if you are enjoying the prayers of the dividend. Let me use the word. If you're enjoying the dividends of the prayers of all the people, you are enjoying it right now. Know that there is a time you need to sacrifice also. And then another thing that God was laying in my heart that I want to share. Don't think you're going to have it all roses all the time till Jesus Christ comes, or if he tarries. Don't think you're going to have it all roses. There will be a time when you have to stand to fight. It could be for your children, for your spouse, for your business, for your ministry, for your health, or whatever. So it will be better for you as you are enjoying the prayer answered of all the people, or the answers to prayers of all the people in your life. It will be good for you to begin to fight for yourself. It will be for you to be good for you to begin to sacrifice. Do your own sacrifice now. For everyone is going to sacrifice, everyone is going to make efforts. And then God began to deal with me when I was concerned about in things happening around people's life, around my own life. God began to deal with my heart concerning everyone's efforts. And the Lord told me that we are supposed to make our own effort, that our own effort will not sustain the other person if the person is not making effort. So wherever you are, you have to make effort. You have to make effort to do better. Do better for your life, do better for your family, do better for your business and all that. You just have to make your own effort. Don't rely on the effort of other people. As I said, their effort will not sustain you. The effort of other people will not keep you till you leave the surface of the earth. Begin now to make your own effort. Gradually, gradually, begin now to lay your own foundation. Gradually, begin now to stand on the foundation that has already been laid for you. Gradually, so that you'll be able to overcome when the time of evil comes. Yes, God was dealing with my heart concerning the time of evil, that it will surely come to everyone. So it is better you begin now to prepare yourself so that you are not overwhelmed when the time comes, because it will definitely come. Yeah, it will definitely come. It will come to everyone. So it will be better for you to begin to prepare yourself towards that time. So this is what the Holy Spirit wants me to share with you. Begin to stand and begin to do your own sacrifice little by little for the future. God bless you until I come your way again.